Okay, see how dirty this window is right now? And there's no need to be conservative with the liquid on here because this guy right here is gonna suck it all up anyway. So we're just going to just coat it completely and make this window super clean. I've been using this thing a ton. Now just hold the button down. Look at that. The whole window just got cleaned that fast.